Hey guys, welcome to this lesson. So we are going to brand and optimize your profiles a little bit. So let's get started. Up here on your LinkedIn profile, I'm going to show you how to get there. This is where you will go home. This is what will come up when you log in. Your cover photo, your brand. You want to make sure, guys, that you are doing the same as you would do in Facebook with this. You want to tell who you are. You want to tell who you serve. You want to tell what problem you solve. You want to give a call to action. On mine, I used my email address this time, but you can jump into Canva, create these LinkedIn banners right in Canva. Just type in the search when you go to create your banner, LinkedIn banner. It will pull up the perfect size, as these banners are smaller than your Facebook banner. So you want to make sure you put LinkedIn banner in Canva in order to get the right size. Also, when you're creating your banner, be mindful. Put the important information over to this side, because of this profile picture will take up a lot of the space. I learned that the hard way. I put my information over here. You guys have seen my Facebook cover, and it cut off all the important stuff that was right here. And it was way bigger. So I had to actually jump into Canva, type in LinkedIn banner to see if they had one, and that's how I found it. That they actually have the LinkedIn banner, the perfect size. Your profile picture. Make sure it's a picture of you guys. Using a selfie is just fine. You can do a professional photo if that's what you want to do, but if you're not able to do that at first, no problem. Take a selfie, use the selfie until you can do the professional photo. I use this photo just because I feel that it shows my personality, and I liked it. And I haven't had a problem with getting clients with this photo. So, you want to optimize this section. Just, this is how you make sure that your banner is positioned nice. I want to make sure that this information is showing. Then down here is where your information's going to go. And I'm going to show you how to get this on your profile. This is your contact information. Click this, fill out the contact information. All it is your profile. It's your LinkedIn profile. People can call you. Let them know what type, phone, mobile, home. You want to put your address, birthday, website. It's all to your discretion. So let's optimize this a little bit. This is your intro. So your first name, last name. I put my headline here is virtual assistant. My current position, I wanted to show so people knew that I was a virtual assistant, self-employed, but you can do it to your preference. However you want to word that, however you want it to look, it's up to you. Make sure I show my current company, doing my industry. Again, when you start typing, you can put whatever industry you want to be categorized in. I just use management consulting because of the type of clients that I was looking for when I created my LinkedIn profile. Your education, and guys, with your education, using your your previous education is good enough. You don't have to put your elementary school and your high school and your middle school if you've been to college. Just put the last education that you've received will be just fine. You can add as many, but all those aren't necessary. Of course, your location, contact info. I just showed you your website link that will appear with your profile. So, I use my Facebook business page. The link text is what's going to be what they click on. It's going to be the name of the link that they click on to get to this page, your Facebook business page, or if you have a website, your website. This is where you find that link text. Click on it and it'll take you to whatever you link to it. The business page, the Facebook business page, or if you link the website, it'll take you to the website. So you can optimize these things if you like. LinkedIn always have things that they suggest according to your searches and how you fill out your profile. Analytics let you know how many profiles you've had, post impressions, search appearances, things like that. If you decide to purchase the premium package, it actually breaks down who has viewed your profile, and the analytics goes more in detail. I just have the basic version, the free version for my LinkedIn, and it works just fine. I just did not want to invest that yet. Resources. Activity is anything that you've done on your profile. Made videos, made posts, anything like that you'll see in the activity section. Let's talk about the about section. This is the most important real estate right here. This is where you're telling people who you are, who you serve, and what problem you solve. And when you create this about section, guys, use as many tag words, keywords, tag words, whatever you want to call them, that you can think of that a person would put in the search box to look for the problem that you solve. So my about section says, I am Tori, founder of Tori & Company. I provide virtual assistant support services to small business owners and entrepreneurs. My primary focus is completing time-consuming tasks so you can focus on your field of expertise. My experience is working with mompreneurs, YouTubers, podcasters, and bloggers to empower them to grow and engage their ideal audience. I am a firm believer that everything is able to be figured out, and deadlines are not suggestions. My main goal is for my client to experience growth and brand awareness. Guys, when you do this about section, you are talking to that client. I know you're searching for multiple clients, but make it personal so when every single person read it, it's like you're only talking to them. I'm telling you, it really makes a difference. So you can go down for your experience. Here's the where the education will show. Put your skills in. You have the option to take a skills quiz that will optimize your profile more if you would like to stand out more. If you want to just showcase your skills, then take one of these LinkedIn skill quizzes. They will post them, and they will send the results to certain companies that request them. Your interests. And then over here, when edit public profile, this is where you can go to customize your URL. meaning you can add your first and last name at the end of your LinkedIn link, your business name, whatever you would like to do. Just click this little pencil. You're able to put your customized link here, save it, and that's your LinkedIn profile link. Edit content, edit visibility. These are all options that you can make to your preference on how you want your profile to be viewed when people look you up or come to your profile. This is exactly how they see it. I chose to keep it public for everybody. You can do first connections, and we'll go into all of that. First connection, second connection. I'm sorry, guys. First connections, second connections. We'll go into all of that in a later lesson. But it's all to your preference on how you want this profile to look for people that look you up. They will see the groups that you're in, just like Facebook groups. If you join groups on LinkedIn, guys, same thing you would do on Facebook. Engage. You can find clients in LinkedIn groups, but my suggestion, my advice to you is to engage. Don't go into these groups with your salesy pitch. No, it's about value and building relationships. Okay, guys, that was a quick overview on optimizing your LinkedIn profile. We are going to get into some other things for optimizing your profile, for searching your ideal client out. So let's go ahead and dive into the rest of our lessons.